So this Reggae Boyz squad, announced by Coach Jaime Hallgrimson for the two friendlies against Trinidad and Tobago. It's not a FIFA window, so most of the Europe-based players will not be here. We're seeing a number of what we assume are young players affiliated to some popular English clubs. Otherwise, the players represent a range from the old, a 36-year-old veteran Adrian Mariappa, to the young, of 17-year-old schoolboy Dejan Whisper Richards. And remember, years ago, someone kept suggesting that routinely we should get our best one or two outstanding schoolboy footballers and give them some time around the national team. At the time, people say Ray and Tay. Well, from this squad, Whisper Richards is the biggest box office draw. Yes, the young prodigy that we would all love to see do well at this level. I think Whisper makes the starting 11 for these two games on merit. Yes. Anyway, we have Trinidad and Tobago on our radar. We welcome them back to Jamrock, and it's nothing personal, it's just business. Because Jamaica, we need these 6 points. And a point. Me think a point.